Hello! In this video, I will be talking about lightning. Lightning and thunder. Thunder is the sound that lightning makes. Why does lightning make a sound? Why? Why does it cause thunder? Why is it that when there is lightning, there is also thunder? Something like that, right? Thunder, the sound of the lightning. The reason that lightning makes a sound, the reason that it makes thunder, is because when lightning occurs, when it happens, the air, so this is all air, all of this air, I am breathing air. The air gets really, really hot. Very, very hot. Because lightning is super hot. Hotter than the surface of the sun. The surface of the sun. So here is a picture below the surface of water, and here is a picture above the surface. And here's a picture right at the surface of the water. Now, because lightning is so hot, it makes the air, all of this air, expand. It makes the air expand. The air that the lightning touches. So all of the air that the lightning goes through, all of that air expands. It expands really, really quickly. The air moves super fast, just for a second, just for a split second, a very short amount of time. The air expands so quickly that it creates a sonic boom. A sonic boom. A sonic boom is a sound, a very loud sound that happens when something goes faster than sound, than the speed of sound. The speed of sound is about 760 miles per hour. That is the speed of sound. So if a plane, for example, a plane goes faster than the speed of sound, it makes a sonic boom. And you can hear boom, a very loud sonic boom the moment that the plane goes faster than the speed of sound. The very moment that the plane moves faster than sound, there is a sonic boom. So the lightning heats up the air, okay? It heats up the air. Here is an example of heating something up. If you put a pan on a fire, the pan will heat up. So the lightning heats up the air, just air, and that air moves and expands so quickly that it creates a sonic boom. Right. So, why is it that the lightning happens so quickly? It's just a split second. There is lightning, and then it's gone. But thunder, the sound, the thunder that comes from the lightning, that sound lasts longer. That sound can be heard for a few seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4 seconds. This is because, well, there are a few reasons, but it is mainly caused by the fact that the lightning bolt is very long, very, very long. It goes from the ground all the way up to the clouds. So it's a very long bolt of lightning. And there is a sonic boom created at every point along the lightning bolt. So at the bottom, there is a sonic boom. In the middle, there is a sonic boom. And up near the clouds, there is also a sonic boom. There is a sonic boom at every point along the lightning. And because this sound has to travel, it has to travel and move to your ear, right? The sound has to reach your ear. It has to travel. You will first hear the sonic boom that happened closest to you. So that's the part of the lightning that is lower. It's lower. Then I will hear the sonic boom that happened a little bit higher up, because that part has to travel farther. It has to travel farther to get to my ear. And the last part of the lightning, of the sonic boom that you hear, the last part is the part that was farthest away, usually up in the clouds. So that's why you hear thunder for a longer time. And another reason that the sound of thunder is not instant. It is not just one quick sound, like boom, and done. The reason, or another reason, why it's not just one quick sound is because the shape of the lightning is usually not straight. It is not just straight up and down. No, the shape is usually, well, jagged. That's the word. The shape is jagged. It will go here and here and here. And so this different shape of the lightning changes the time that it takes for you to hear the thunder, because one part of the lightning might be very close, but maybe the shape of the lightning is like this. And so the part that is very high up could also be much farther away. It could be both very high up and farther away. So that means that you will hear all of these sonic booms, all of this sound at different times. You will hear these sounds at different times. There is also the effect of echoes. Okay, an echo is a sound that bounces off of something else. So if I yell out hello into a canyon, I'm in a canyon and I yell hello, I will hear hello, 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 because of the echo. That is the echo. So that's also part of why the thunder lasts such a long time. All right, I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.